And this is a follow-up video on this most recent lawnmower find that I got. That was a moving sale, and it is a all-wheel drive Husqvarna. I've got this all cleaned up now and sharpened the blade. It is in really nice condition. This is model HU625AWD, and it has a Briggs & Stratton 625EX series 150cc engine on it. And this was a moving sale. They moved to a townhouse. It had been sitting for a long period of time and it would not start. And just put a little bit of carburetor cleaner in it and it started right up. Also had shown that it had a rear grass chute on it, which was kind of odd. I don't think that was ever used, and I got the manuals with this. But I gave this a washing and it cleaned up really nice. And it's starting a lot better now too. It wouldn't hardly start before, and after running it a while, it seems to start right up. I don't think these newer engines like to sit for long periods of time. Look how nice that is. All-wheel drive, it'll really drag you around the yard. I haven't cut the yard with it yet, but I'm going to try this out. A little more details. The model year of the engine is 2014. They said they bought this in 2015. And that is the model and serial number here. This blade was in really good condition. Just needed cleaning up really. It really didn't need sharpening, but I put a little bit of an edge on it. This is the newer overhead valve engine. 22-inch cut. Cleaned out underneath a bit and sharpened the blade. Sharpened this 22-inch blade on this all-wheel drive Husqvarna. And first we're going to start with safety. We're going to remove the spark plug boot. And we're going to turn this carburetor side up and put my blade tool on there. And I got the blade tool on. This is a 9/16" bolt. And we can get a closer look at the front and rear wheel drive on this, and the belts on here once we get this blade off. And this is a star pattern blade, and it doesn't look bad. It just needs to be cleaned up and check for balance. I don't really see any nicks in here. Here's a closer look at the belt driven all-wheel drive system here on this Husqvarna. And there's the rear gearbox drive, and there's the front gearbox drive. Get a chance to clean out some of these old grass clippings as well. And this blade is in really good shape. Didn't take a lot of metal off here, just cleaned it up, and it's also in perfect balance. So let's reinstall this back on the Husqvarna. That's the front gearbox on here, and it's belt driven. Very nice lawnmower, very well built. Let's tie the handle back and we'll give it a start. And let's see how well this will start today. Here we go. Much better. Series engine really sounds good. Sounds really powerful. I still haven't changed the air filter yet. Seems to run fine with it after I cleaned it out. along the yard. About to come loose. Had to retie the handle here. Nice all-wheel drive Husqvarna.